Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Brat theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to follow is to open Play Store. So once you open Play Store, you simply need to search for the Instagram. So search for the Instagram, click on Instagram, and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see, my Instagram is up to date. Then you need to go back and you simply need to open Instagram application. So let me open Instagram. So once you open Instagram, so you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right. Then you simply need to select any conversation, click on the person name, and then you need to click on theme. So once you are here on the top, you can see Brat. You simply need to select that and you need to wait for a few seconds. Then you need to go back and now you can see that Brat theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.